Everybody's super amped up to be here today.
It is. So fun.
Okay, again, neutralization. What is it? Acid reacts with a base. I want you to label these to produce a salt, and water. I can't help, every time I say assault, I think of like assault, like,
She made a joke about that.
like fighting somebody. I don't know, I just can't. Or hitting somebody with a lead pipe. Or a baseball bat.
I mean, maybe that could be.
Just I say it so many times. Assault, assault, assault.
That could be a sign of
All right.
You want to be a sociopath.
Now,
get a little older.
you can't just be a sociopath. You're born that way.
No.
Like you can't choose to be a
You get hit in
sociopath.
the head with the lead.
Do you know what that really means? It means you literally care about nothing.
Yeah.
No feelings.
Yeah, that's you.
Yeah, that is not me. That is not me. I care about most of you.
Because that was funny.
What'd she say?
He cares about GMOs. He cares about.
Oh, GMO, yeah. Or non-GMO, more appropriately, yes. All right.
And how styrofoam is affecting the planet.
That's right. Styrofoam is a joke. All right. Now, up here. So the definition of neutralization is when an acid and a base reacts to produce a salt and water. And again, the pH is equal to 7. So I don't really need to write the definition. I think writing the definition is kind of useless. This is what's important. Can you identify a reaction as neutralization? So you know what acids are, you know what bases are. Where can you look? K and L. Now, there are some, like this one. Let's do one more. This is not on table K, but I expect you to be able to tell me it's an acid. It looks kind of like HCl. It's just a Br. Okay, that's an acid. Look for that H. Now, another base that is not on table L would be LiOH. Is that correct? Is that not on table L? Someone help me out. It's not. Thank you. So, again, on the reagents, sometimes they give you the floater, and you can knock it out of the park. And then what I mean is they give you ones on the table. That's easy. Just look at it and copy down. But sometimes they don't. So you need to know that's a base, that's an acid. Okay. So again, neutralization here. Who can give me the products? You know one of them for sure.
Water.
Water. You always get water. Every single time you get water. Acid plus base, you get water. Every single time.
Does it matter if you
So it's
put
gonna
water
be
Oh no, I just do it that way. I don't know why, it's just the way I do it. You can put it here.
LIBR2.
LIBR. Now, let's not guess. Let's look up the charges.
Oh, that's LIBR.
Li is in group 1, so plus 1. Br is minus 1, group 17, so yes, just LiBr. Is it balanced? Yes.
Yeah.
How are we doing, Kristen? So who missed yesterday? 1, 2, 3? Okay. Oh, and you guys need the worksheet, right? You don't. You two do. Okay, remind me. Acid plus base. A salt and water. Okay. One more. Go to table K. Look at the very last acid. What's it called? Ethanoic. Do they give you the other name?
Yes.
Acetic. And I think I told you the common name for that, didn't I? You can drink it. Vinegar, yeah. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
That was weird, so let's not say that again. So there is ethanoic acid. Let's react it with, oh no, let's go with, is KOH on table L?
Yes.
KOH it is?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll just go with that.
Okay.
Alright. I'll give you 1 minute. I'm going to walk around. See who can come up with the products. I'll be impressed. Someone got it this morning.
I don't want to do it. Me C. I think.
Just your pride. Just knowing you got it right. I'll start over there with Trashy.
I don't want to write
What do you think of this one?
Because you want to clean notes?
What do you think?
Yeah. Oh, I wish I wrote eager.
Aren't you missing something there?
Where?
Count up. Hey, I have an idea or a trick. A little words of wisdom here. use conservation of mass. So don't lose any atoms, right? What you got? Yeah, no, your hair is one. You should be on a magazine.
Woodworkers monthly, like me in a leather apron with this hairstyle.
That was
the leather
hilarious.
apron with a wooden mallet like this.
Exactly. Yes.
Hey boss, how are you?
What's going on?
Can I talk to that one? Right?
You can, whoever that one is.
On bacon.
Oh,
Here?
I thought it was me. I was like,
The ginger.
oh, me?
Oh, well,
Well,
is that apply to anyone else here?
I told you.
Sort of her.
I
Is
don't
this
know.
yours?
Adrian,
Yes.
there's some ginger in my beard.
It is mine.
I as well. I have
I told
multicolor.
you.
I actually
Yours?
getting some gray.
Yes.
You're sure that's yours?
I'm positive. I've looked twice.
I saw somebody who I knew
You don't know.
didn't play volleyball
I
wearing
know.
this.
I know.
I was like, hey, I'm gonna find out who that belongs to.
Trixie Hopkins.
Yeah, I did know if it was with
But she didn't. It was in
Iowa.
Lost and Found.
Okay.
And they
She
gave it
wasn't
to her
here.
Where it wasn't like she
Oh.
took it from there.
Yeah.
I did it. No, I did it with
Thanks.
And you were the
Autumn
everybody
and,
you were the, I never seen
and,
this. You were the last one.
Oh.
Hannah, and there was no reaction. It was boring. And then the whole class straight up complained about it. So, you know, it was lackluster. This morning.
She watched it. No, she watched it.
All right.
Hey.
I can still look at yours.
I didn't finish. Come and tell me this is wrong.
All right. Where's your product?
On the top by the line. Yeah, I didn't mind
There's only one C. All right. So, what do all acids do?
Give an H.
Give an H. Which H is it going to give?
One of
Is it going to be one of these, or is it going to be that one?
that.
What do you think?
That
one.
Why is this an acid?
It's an H plus.
Go to table R. Go to table R. Please go to table R, everybody. Go to table R.
I'm there.
Okay. What class of compound is this? Hey, go to table R. If you go to table R, look up this functional group, COOH.
Organic acid.
It's an organic acid. So this is one of the weird examples. It's the only organic acid that you really ever... I've seen propanoic acid, but ethanoic is the most common. So this C double bond O OH, that makes it an acid. So if this makes it an acid, these H's have nothing to do with it. That's the one. The whole point of me talking about this, that's the one it loses. So it loses this H. This loses the OH to make HOH. What's left over? The Na, and then the rest of this business, so you just stick them together. CH3, COO, Na. So when I said conservation of mass, that, what's that?
That's what I had.
Close.
You're missing-
You only had one O. Right?
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
So this is a weird oddball example, but I wanted to at least show you once. That's called sodium acetate because that's the acetate ion. So really the way it works here is this becomes O negative 1 because it loses an H, and now your Na plus bonds to it, and that's why it works. So that is a weird example of neutralization, acid, base, water, and a salt. Okay. All right. We're moving on. Oh, and it's all balanced already, so that was easy. Okay, new word. Titration. Okay. Go to the back of your reference tables, please.
Isn't art about it?
Nope. There's a very back with equations.
Table T.
The very, very back?
Very, very back. Table T. Okay. What are we going to write down?
The formula.
What is it? MA times VA equals times... Man, you guys high energy today.
I know.
Molarity of acid. Now, Caitlin was mumbling something over there.
I was just reading it.
Okay. What does it actually say on the back there?
It says molarity of H plus.
Ah, molarity of H plus. Okay. And this says molarity of OH minus.
Oh, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're labeling in our notes is a little different. We're doing volume of base over here, molarity of base, and then volume of acid, molarity of acid. This is called a titration equation. really what this really means is your moles of H plus equals moles of OH minus. And if your moles of H plus equal moles of OH minus,
pH
pH is 7 is neutral. Very good. So neutralization and titration are basically the same thing. The only difference is this is a what's the word I'm looking for? A procedure you do in a lab, whereas neutralization is just a word that you define. So this is an actual process. I'm going to go back and show you right now exactly what this looks like. So we are going to be getting into this a lot more tomorrow. This is all we're going to do tomorrow. You don't have any other homework except the review. So keep your notes open. If we have time, we're going to get a quick problem down, but we'll probably have to pick it up tomorrow. All right, let me pause this jazz here. Come on back.